swear by fence armor. This stuff's amazing. It does nothing but create longevity on your posts. You don't have to worry about your trimmers. You don't have to worry about pesky landscapers from commercial properties coming by and cutting your post down without you even knowing.
So Andy, what made you want to find a solution for that?
I want it to be different, and I want it to be above everybody else. And when we build things, we do it once and once only. This product adds to that philosophy.
Well, with our customers, it's given us another great option to get them to protect the length of their fence that they are paying a lot of money for, and it's just been an absolutely great product.
How we came in touch with the product was the customer here. We had already sold the fence itself, so the customer comes to us and says, well, how can we protect our investment on this project, but also they already had a mile of existing PVC fence here. We'll take some pictures and show some video of some of the existing posts that are already here, and it's 8 years old, and half of the posts are already gone from weed whackers. He has a company come in, and I'm sure that they do the best that they can, but over time, no matter what, the weed whacker is going to go through. So I thought about the product that I had seen in the World Fence News, which was fence armor, which can save his existing product and help his investment on this project. So that's what we're doing.
To try tap in and find a product that protected the posts. Customers were always asking, can we do extra concrete? Can we do extra this, extra? So let's just kill that and get to the bottom. And that's where I found Al at Fence Armor, and it's been great ever since. 99% of customers are going with it. It's protecting from above ground and now below ground with the post saver.
Well, with the coating length fence armor at the bottom of the post would definitely keep the weed whacker from hitting the wood itself.
Hey guys, Ian Robinson here with Davis Fencing. We're using the fence armor today on our new fence posts that we're putting in, installing. Set them 3 inches off the bottom of the ground for lawn maintenance and protection of the post. And the same galvanized steel we use for our fence hangers, so nothing rusts. It's good for moisture, and great product to use for sure on your fence. And we trust it.
The best defense for your fence.
Got these in today from Fence Armor. This is cool, man. I mean, these guys are on top of it. These are galvanized steel caps that will fit about any wood post you can dream of. It's in like a 4x4. You know, there's oftentimes they're different, 3 5/8, 3 1/2, 3 3/8, 3 3/4. They even fit a vinyl post. So these tops are interchangeable. This is galvanized steel with this adjustable claw on the inside, no screws, stainless steel claw. When you push that down on the post, it locks on there. So super simple, slide on the post, done deal. You can have a point on it or none. So here's the cap with no point on it. You can order the finials to go on top. So you have different options. This finial is kind of cool because you can put a flag in that, like an American flag or something for the holidays. You can slide those little bitty wood stake flags in there and display them on top of your fence. Definitely awesome. Check them out, Fence Armor.